Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to draw on a photo on your iPhone. So wherever there's a photo on your iPhone, whether it is an email or a text message, and you have an option to edit the photo, but in this instance we'll use the Photos gallery. I'll select this picture of me here, and once you've brought up the picture you want to draw on, you can select Edit here in the top right hand corner, and then you want to select the pencil in the top right hand corner to bring up the markup tool. Now with the markup tool available, you can select between 3 different pencils here, and then with a pencil selected you can press it again to select the thickness of that pencil, and also underneath the brightness of the pencil that will be drew on the picture. Also you can change the colour of the pencil by selecting the palette icon here. You can change between any colour you wish. Let's stick with red. Now we can draw on the picture by simply moving your finger wherever you wish. If you make a mistake, you can press the back button here. You also have the option to use the eraser if the back button isn't convenient. So we can select the eraser here. We can press it again to change the thickness of the eraser. You can also select Object Eraser. However, we'll select Pixel Eraser. And with that selected, you can now delete the bit you have just drawn. You also have the option to add the ruler, and you can move this ruler anywhere you want on the picture, and then you can draw a straight line, and also you can change the different pencils if you wish. Then once you're happy with the straight line, you can press the ruler again to remove it, and you'll have drew a straight line on your picture. Now once you're happy with all the settings, you can press done at the top right hand corner here, and then done again, and this picture will be saved on your iPhone. So that's how to draw on your iPhone, which is great if you need to sign a document or you just want to make your pictures a bit more unique. Hope this video helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.